YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Kraftwerk, and we're going to react to the song Das Model. This is the first time listening to this song. Let's get started.
Sie ist ein Model und sie sieht gut aus. Ich nehme sie heute gerne mit zu mir nach Haus. Sie wirkt so kühl, an sie kommt niemand ran. Doch vor der Kamera, da zeigt sie, was sie kann. Immer Sekt. Korrekt. Und hat hier alle Männer abgecheckt. Im Scheinwerferlicht ihr junges Lächeln strahlt. Sie sieht gut aus und Schönheit wird bezahlt. Schau für das Konsumprodukt und wird von Millionen Augen angeguckt. Ihr neues Titelbild ist einfach fabelhaft. Ich muss sie wiedersehen, ich las, sie hat's geschafft.
Yeah.
I actually remember this from my childhood, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
Very vaguely, I remember this tune. What are your thoughts listening to it for the first time?
It was fun to listen to. There was something about it was very addictive. You know, it keeps on going and you like it. Even though you don't understand practically, I can't understand anything. You could be just saying anything, which could be anything. But I like listening to it. I'm like, yay, it's going on well. And I like the constant, the constant pitch and the note of this. It remains on one level and everything is going on one level. And you're just listening to it. You're listening to it. It's like a toy music or something like that when, you know, just play that, wind the key and it goes on playing at the same tone. So I like that constant tone of the song going on. There's something amusing about it, something alluring about it. I don't know what, but it sounded good. It felt like it was mainly electronically made music. Most of the things kind of electronica. And the way he sings, all of them are in one sync.
Yeah, it's like a group, right? It's a group or a band. Yeah, it must have been considered what? Disco pop, electronica,
Electronic,
house.
I think. Yeah, maybe.
Who knows? They sounded like they were German.
Yeah, it sounded like that.
I don't really remember much about them. But I remember this tune from somewhere. Whether it's a movie or my childhood days, I'm not sure. But it was
You know that
ages ago.
tune? It's nice. It goes
Maybe in
well.
some game or something. It's
Yeah,
really
it sounds more like a game thing.
because I don't remember any vocals with it.
Hmm.
Yeah, it was interesting. It was interesting to listen to. I mean, it's different. It's different from what we are used to hearing in recent times. We've heard what 7,000 plus songs in the last 3.5 years on YouTube.
Yeah.
Over 6,500 songs we have reacted to, both of us together. So it's been an incredible journey, and it wouldn't have been without your love and support. And songs like these, which we've never heard before. At least Kirti hasn't heard it. That's the reason we started this channel. Kirti wanted to step outside her comfort zone and listen to music from outside India, and as much as possible. And in the process, also spending quality time with each other as a couple and as a family. If our kids or others, listen to the music along with us or joined us for our reactions. So it's been fun. It's been fun. And we thought a couple of times, especially this year, especially me, we've thought, oh, maybe we are towards the end of our journey now. We've done the most of the stuff that people like, they have requested. So do we have much remaining? And Kirti and me did research recently, and we realized there's still close to 2,000 artists we've not even heard before. And they are popular artists. They won awards, things like that. And 1,500 plus artists who have been requested. 1,200 of them we have heard at least one song and reacted to at least one song, unique artist. So there's a long way to go. 50,000 good songs in the English language alone. So our purpose was to listen to music from outside India. We didn't realize it would be dominated by English music. But the years one
something
that
else.
seemed to be in German. Or at least partly in German. So here you go. So we do get requests and other things too. So that helps fulfill our purpose even more. Yeah. But it's been incredible. It's been an incredible journey, and I know that in our lifetime, or at least on this platform where honesty is a rarity, people like us, people like Kirti and me, we just can't survive with these honest, unscripted, impromptu reaction videos. So, forget about making money to pay all our bills. Even the time that we invest and all, I know it's at the end of the day, it may not be worth it, but the only thing that is worth it is listening to music that fulfills our purpose, and that you guys have given us. So thank you for your love and support. In a way, we are grateful. We are very grateful to this platform for giving us this stage, this platform itself, so that we can present our love for music, share our honest opinion with you, which is such a rarity once again on YouTube and in the modern world at large. So thank you for all it's worth. That's it. Goodbye.